transform your living room into a cozy fortress using blankets, cushions, and some chairs. This rainy day activity spurs children's creativity as they design and construct their very own hideout. Encourage teamwork as they decide on the fort's layout, enhancing their problem-solving abilities. Parents can join the adventure by helping tell stories or play pretend games inside the fort, fostering language skills and bonding. The fort becomes a world of imagination, a castle, a spaceship, or a hidden cave where kids can explore countless adventures. As an added tip, use flashlights for shadow play or read stories together inside the fort, creating a nurturing environment for imaginative play and learning.